Hello crafties, welcome back to my workshop. More importantly, back to my channel. With the holidays coming and Christmas closing in, I thought I had to kick in my gift making and crafting to high gear. So before I could do that, I had to clean up my workshop. See, here's the thing. I slowly gather so many different things and have them on shelves. So I kind of thought, well, I don't want to throw it away, but what can I do with this stuff? So this video is going to show you the process of how I took leftover pieces of wood and repurposed them and turned them into great holiday gifts.
So first I started by gathering some of the scraps I had left over from past projects. As you can see, I don't throw a lot out. You never know when you're going to use it. Then I did a bit of research to get some ideas, and this is what I came up with for my grandkids. Of course, I had to do it my way. I drew up a quick plan knowing I would adjust as I go. I made templates for the different cars that I wanted to create. I then laid them out just to get an idea of how it would look overall when it's done. Now I start to draw it out onto the wood. I do like to follow the old adage, measure twice and cut once. It really comes in handy. I cut the 2x2s I had in half lengthwise, the best I could, with the limited tools that I have. I then cut them to the sizes of my templates. I love to use templates. They don't take long to create, and you can always use them in case you want to make more of these things.
I would like to point out for all of you out there that are just getting started with crafting and things, basically I do a lot of what I do with minimal tools. I don't have a whole bunch of different fancy tools and stuff like that, although I welcome anybody out there that wants to sponsor some tools or have me, take a look at them and give them a review on them. I would love to do that. Just hit me up and we can set that up and make it happen. But basically, for the project you're going to see today and most of my projects, I got a hammer, little handsaw, a drill and a series of drill bits, and the fancy Dremel tool with a bunch of little different Dremel bits as well. This is right now primarily what I use. I do have a tabletop sander that you will see later on in this video. So again, anybody that wants to sponsor or help me out, more than happy to have that happen. So let's get back to crafting.
I cut the notches on each end so the cars can hook together in any order. I kept cutting all of these separate pieces. Give a little light sanding so there's no sharp edges or splinters for the little ones to get hurt on. I again use the template to mark where the wheels will be located. I just simply use a screw that I just tapped with a hammer to mark the spots in the wood. Then it is basically rinse and repeat for all the cars. So I select a drill bit that is the right size for the pegs that I'm putting in, and once I have the right one, nothing left to do but drill away. And again, rinse and repeat. I decided to make them all playfully colorful. You don't have to do this though. Oftentimes I just like the wood look and I use some child-safe oil. So here's the finished train I created. Took a couple of days and was pretty much free using scraps. Just a couple of things that I had to pick up. Here is the whole reason that I created this in the first place. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, like and subscribe. Thank you.
I want to thank you guys again for checking out my video. If you like what I do here, please remember to do the thing. You know, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notifications bell so you won't miss any videos. But keep coming back and happy crafting.